If you don't end up wearing the flour when you're doing something like this, are you even baking? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some baking. I have a Rosanna Pansino recipe. I've heard that her recipes are pretty advanced. That just exploded all over me. Champagne's not spooky. So instead we've got some sparkling red wine, which is honestly a lot weaker color than I expected it to be. Some watered down blood, if you will. So I'm definitely going to make a mess of my kitchen, but shortening is insanely squishy. It's gross. It's so hard. Oh, the butter's so hard. I don't know how she expects, I guess the heat of my hands will warm it up. I can't roll up my sleeve.
I got you.
Oh God, this is nasty. This is so gross.
You can drink more of your beverage.
I can't! We're good. What next, Rosanna? Oh no, more hands. Back in with these surgical equipments. Oh, it's so cold! It's so cold. My dough balls, my dough balls, my dough balls. I have to let the dough chill for 2 to 24 hours. Okay, we're back. It's been some hours. I wasn't able to find sweetened condensed coconut milk, so I just have this regular coconut milk. I'm gonna use it and hope that this doesn't turn out disgusting. Oh, hers was so much thicker than that. I have a feeling this isn't gonna turn out good. Yeah, so that's super thin and goopy. Rosanna! What the For one, she never told me to preheat my oven. For two, apparently you have to bake this stuff for an hour! Sprinkle counter with flour. If you don't end up wearing the flour when you're doing something like this, are you even baking? Leave me a comment and let me know what's your favorite fall time treat. I love pretty much anything that involves pumpkin because I'm basic. My puppies are clearly not happy that they're locked up downstairs, but I doubt which the mic on this camera is good enough for you to hear them. Oh no, it's still sticking to the counter. Why? One beautiful little angel with a face and teeth. I almost gave him upside down eyes. That would be weird, right? I'm doing it. Upside down eyes makes him look angry, kind of. I mean, like, this pie filling smells amazing. Like, I really just want to eat it up. I'm squishing some pie out of the sides. Oops. That's okay. It'll still taste good, right? All right, so the pies are gonna bake for 25 minutes. But in the meantime, I'm gonna sample some of the fruits of my labor. Oh, it's so bad. Oh. They look, honestly, beautiful. Let's give this a try. No. Basically just tastes like completely unsweetened pumpkin pie. Hopefully next time we won't fail so hard. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. If you liked what you see here, I have 3 previous videos. Please watch them. Leave it. Okay, ready? Go. Oh!